I've got this Yottjacky, this amazing Yottjacky heated jacket. And so I'm going to get straight to the point, explain it all in just a second. But it comes with this power bank right here, as well as this charging cable. So it's all charged up. But so what you're going to do is you're going to take this power bank, you're going to unzip this pocket. So you have this pocket right here, you can put whatever you want in it. We're going to put this power bank in it because it has this cable that's hooked in here that you can pull out and just attach it into the power bank like so. So that's attached in. We're gonna set the power bank inside of it, and we're gonna zip it back up. I'm gonna come out here. Let's just zip up the coat actually first. I'm gonna zip up the coat. So you zip it. It also has these buttons right here, as you can see. So I'll just go ahead and button a few of these. There we go. And so what we're gonna do here is we are gonna come and we're gonna hold this down. So you hold that down. Now, so as you can see, it's just, there's two of them. So this turns on the front of the coat and the arms. So I can literally already feel it heating up, and that's the highest setting. When I turn on the other one, turn on the back heat, now it's heating up all throughout the back here. And that heats up very quickly. Now, so there are 3 different settings, and you can control them all separately. So hit it once, that goes low. Hit it a second time, that's medium. So now the front is medium, the back is hot, and it's heating up right now. From here, I want to show you, has all these different pockets. So there's a button pocket here, button pocket there, and this is the way the Velcro at the end looks, as well as the sleeves right here on both sides. It's got this pocket right here, this pocket up here. It's got these drawstrings or whatever you call them there. There's a hood you can put on. But all in all, straight up, not only is this a heated jacket that's just amazing, this is a high quality jacket. Even with you take the heating aspect out of it, this is a high quality winter coat. So, and just for reference, I am about 5'11", 168 pounds. This is a size medium for reference. And the other last thing, also comes with this nice little carrying case. So it all fits in here. You can carry it around. Highly recommend.